In this video, I am going to teach you the secret technique that all the other internet marketers use to increase their earnings per click, the sales funnel. It might not be special to some of you, but you will definitely fall in love with this technique when you see how it can bring massive wealth to your business. So without further ado, let's get started. Throughout the years, internet marketing has evolved with lightning speed. As a product vendor, relying on only one product isn't enough to keep your business alive anymore. This is why we need a proven technique that can increase your revenue. Sales funnels are a time-tested technique that can bring massive revenue to your business. Without any additional work, traffic, or effort, you can boost your sales just by implementing the sales funnel. When you apply sales funnel into your launch, it will be your main stream of income. You can see the results almost instantly. Now that you already know why you need to apply sales funnel into your launch, here you go with the sales funnel formula. Of course, this is a proven sequence that increases revenue after years of experience in the internet business. Let's get down to discussing each of these products now. First, your frontline product is called a front-end product. Even though it sells for a cheaper price, without a great front-end product, the whole sales funnel will be affected. Front end can be said to be the most important product among the others because it represents the value of your products. It plays the role of securing the first impressions of your potential customers. Moving on, you might have noticed that there are 3 upsells happening in the flowchart. The upsells are the main source of revenue in the sales funnel because you will put a higher price tag for your upsells. While front-end products initiate the buying trance, upsells are an immediate offer to continue and complete the loop. It can be a solution for forecasted problems for the buyers. Hence, you can price an upsell with a higher price. For instance, if your front end is about how to build and grow a mailing list, your upsell may be a training course to teach them how to direct massive traffic to the website. A small tip here for you. Offer bonuses in your upsell 1. Offering bonuses increases the perceived value of the upsell and makes it a no-brainer offer to grab. And then there's the downsell. Downsells happen after upsell 1. As mentioned, upsell 1 is usually offered with some bonuses. With downsells, you'll remove the bonuses and reoffer them the same product at a lower price. Some of the buyers may hesitate to purchase upsell 1 because of the price. They don't think the upsell is worth it. This is when downsells come in, a discount for the same product without bonuses. The final product in the sales funnel is called a backend. Usually the backend offer happens only after a few days in the follow-up emails because backend products can be a long-term coaching program or membership sites that are priced up to $997. You wouldn't want to scare them away by putting this up first, so you must remember to put your backend offer in the follow-up emails a few days after they've purchased your product. In the beginning of this video, I mentioned how to use sales funnels to gain epic earnings per clicks, or in short, EPC. Now, I will elaborate and explain it, and will introduce the formula to calculate it too. EPC is the average earnings of each click that your affiliate or you send to your website. It involves your conversion rate. If your EPC averages about $2 and above, you are doing good. How do you calculate your EPC? The formula of EPC is sales divided by the number of clicks. Picture this scenario. Let's say you are able to direct 100 clicks to your website, regardless of if it's your own traffic or from one of your affiliates. And from these 100 clicks, 2 of them made a purchase of a product worth $50. So $50 times 2 equals $100. That's your sales, the money you've made. Now, use the formula to find EPC, which is sales divided by the number of clicks. What you make from sales here is $100 divided by the number of clicks, which is 100 clicks. So the answer would be the EPC, and in this case, the EPC is $1. For a bigger picture of EPC, let's go through it with another example. If you direct 300 clicks to the website, and 8 of them make a purchase of $100 per product, your sales would be $800. With the EPC formula, you'll have the sales here is $800 and the number of clicks here is 300. After dividing, you'll get $2.67. That amount is the EPC. Easy. So, in a nutshell, a higher product's EPC reflects higher sales in your launch. It is more likely to get a higher rank in SEO if your EPC is high because it reflects that the traffic to your website is high. However, though it sounds like a great idea to make as much sales as possible by directing more traffic to your website, it is not wise to send traffic randomly. You need to know who the product's target market is and who is in the niche. This is the basic rule of marketing that applies in all businesses. Remember, all traffic must be targeted traffic.